Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Health is Wealth by Kashaf Tawfiq Sheikh. In today's video, we are making orange blossom mug cakes. I have served them with a spoon of fresh cream and some zest of oranges. This is a quick recipe as it will be ready within a minute in the microwave oven. The recipe you're going to find in the description box. So let's move on with the ingredients to make this refreshing mug cakes. First of all, in a small sized cup, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour maida. Make sure you're using a measuring spoon. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and about 1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 1 tablespoon of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Now add 1 tablespoon of chocolate chunks and mix up all the ingredients using up a fork or a whisk. Now add some orange zest and mix it up in time to microwave it. Now microwave the mug for about 1 minute. It depends upon your oven. Mine was ready within a minute. And see, 1 minute has passed and my orange blossom mug cake is ready. Time to serve it up. I hope you like my today's recipe of 1 minute microwave orange blossom mug cakes. These are very easy to make and taste delicious. You can enjoy this with orange juice. The recipe you're going to find in the description box. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And click the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video.